Hu.ma.ne AI Pin. It's a standalone device and software platform built from the ground up for AI. Engagement comes through your voice, touch, gesture, the laser ink display. Play the song How Music Makes You Feel Better. Weather, the date, how much protein?
These almonds have 15 grams of protein.
How much is this online?
This is $28 online.
We'll tap. Staying in the moment and generating a gorgeous image. Now, the battery booster powers a smaller battery inside the main computer, and this is how we achieve our all-day battery life.
So if you ever exhaust the booster, you just reach into your pocket or bag and hot swap it. This is a perpetual power system that allows you to use your AI Pin for as long as you want.
How do I get to that cafe I went to with Paul a few weeks ago? I know it had string lights, and I think it had outdoor seating.